let's go. Let's do what we lost. Do all the things that we've been dreaming of.
You wanna turn me off. You wanna flip the switch. I wanna break the lock. I know what makes you tick. We used to be so young and free. Yeah, baby, don't treat me like a machine. I could still be just what you need. No, baby, don't treat me like a machine. Wanna go to your apartment, take it back to where we started. We'll be everything you wanted. We'll be everything you wanted. You wanted, you wanted. And I know it could be perfect. And I know it would be worth it. We'll be everything you wanted.
Good morning from the Fort Pierce Inlet. We're getting ready to take off. We're going to head over to the Bahamas this morning, God willing, with waves and wind, and we'll see how it goes. Should be a nice long day, and probably into the night, because we are going from Fort Pierce instead of West Palm, so it gives us an extra few miles that we have to go. But we should have fun. Beautiful day leaving the Fort Pierce Inlet, heading to the Bahamas.
You wanna turn me off. You wanna flip the switch. I wanna break the lock. I know what makes you tick. We used to be so young and free. Yeah, baby, don't treat me like a machine. I could still be just what you need. No, baby, don't treat me like a machine. Wanna go to your apartment, take it back to where we started. We'll be everything you wanted. You wanted, you wanted. And I know it could be perfect. And I know it would be worth it. We'll be everything you wanted. You wanted, you wanted.
Well, this is our first night in the Bahamas. We're at West End. We checked in today. It was a long, drawn-out day, just getting across the Gulfstream, but it wasn't too bad. I mean, you know, it was. I think we started out with 5-foot waves, and then it ended up about 3 to 4 foot towards the end. But it was just a matter of a long, drawn-out day because the Gulfstream slows you down. But we had made it across safely, and we're here, and we're going to enjoy the beauty of the Bahamas.
And free. Yeah, baby, don't treat me like a machine. I could still be just what you need. No, baby, don't treat me like a machine. Wanna go to your apartment, take it back to where we started. We'll be everything you wanted. You wanted, you wanted. And I know it could be perfect. And I know it would be worth it. We'll be everything you wanted. You wanted, you wanted. You wanted,
Give you a quick look at our solar panel array. It's complete, 700 watts, and it's been doing well. Of course, since I put them in, it's been cloudy almost every single day. But we have had a couple days where it's really kicked in nice, and keeping those batteries charged up. I don't think we're getting near our 50% discharge that we try to avoid, because the more discharges, or I'm sorry, the deeper discharge that you have on your batteries, the less cycles that you're going to get out of your batteries. So it's nice to have the solar panels kicking juice in right up until obviously sundown, and then you know, we conserve at night and we don't go crazy, and the batteries are not getting below 70%, so that's a good thing. Well, that wraps up this session of Firefighters Therapy. I just wanted to give you a heads up and see. No beard, no mustache. I don't have that Amish look anymore. I had a beard mustache when it all started, but then I shaved it. And I was in a rush, so I only got to shave the mustache off and the chops of the beard. So then I had the Amish look for a little bit. And then I was able to get some extra time and some hot water and shave the rest of it off. So it's all gone. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button, please subscribe, send it to your friends, share, whatever, and we'll see you next session where we're out in the Bahamas just having fun. Thank you.